Good morning. Back, man. Back up in here with another one of them. Dang. Look what's sitting outside. Ooh, look at Etta James sitting out there, man. Etta James sitting out here chilling. That's cool. So, man, look, I ain't had to wake up and pat no gas on no car so long. But, yeah. Get out here. Pat the gas. I don't know if it's really take all this. I'm just going off what my daddy said. Oh, man, she fine though. What you talking about? What you talking about? What Pop's talking about, man? Man, Etta ready to go. Etta ready to go, man. Yeah. She dirty. I ain't watched nothing, man. Like I said, I got her, man. Straight out the yard. Did what I did. So, yeah. I'm gonna try to get this right here, this trim today. You know what I'm saying? Around the wheel trim. Look, she breathing, y'all. Look, y'all see that? Yes, sir. It's cold out here. Yep. Fender trim. And that other piece that I got over there on the other side. Gotta get that joint. But yeah. Got a little squat over there too. Yeah, man, we're taking Etta James to work today. Yeah. Just getting some riding in, that's all. The kids. I had the kids in Etta James. Had my wife in Etta James. Yeah. We ready. We are ready. So let me go ahead and get ready for work, man. And I'll hit y'all up in a second. Yeah. In the box, man. Headed to work. See, y'all didn't think, man, that I was gonna actually. Well, y'all probably was expecting me like, man, why the man don't never drive the box? So here we go. And I thought about it too, and I was like, man, you know what? I'm trying to come up on the channel. I'm trying to come up, you know what I'm saying, like in the game, in the YouTube game. Like, why am I limiting the footage to, you know what I'm saying, just MayRose? You know what I'm saying, MayRose and whatever, you know what I'm saying? Like, nah, I gotta get the box too. So here we are. Man, this remind me of it's crazy. This remind me of going to school. Getting up early in the morning, driving to school. That's what this remind me of. But man, I got me a breakfast sandwich that baby made me, man. So I'm finna get into that. And then I'm gonna pick the camera back up, man. We're gonna ride and talk a little more. Let me do that right there. And I'll hit y'all right back. early in the morning. 7 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. Finna get on to my destination though. Finna get on to my destination and yeah, we'll be back. We'll definitely be back. We will be back. Yeah, boy. Yeah, this give me high school vibes. 11th grade, 10th grade, 11th grade. I got the car when I was in 10th grade. Started driving on the road fully in the 11th grade. It's crazy. This is it's pretty much the exact car. Mine was an 89. This is an 88. It was a Caprice Classic, you know, it had power, everything. This one ain't got power, nothing. But we probably gonna change that. I don't know how I feel about that yet, but I'll probably change it. Power windows. I don't know about power locks, but I don't see why not. Panoramic roof. Yes, sir. Alright, well, let me go and get down here. I don't want to be forcing nothing on y'all. Run out of stuff to talk about, and I'm focusing on these folks here, so let me go ahead and get up here. Hit y'all in a second. Y'all see, I've been uploading like crazy. I've been uploading. I had a motivational speech with one of my dogs, man. So, yeah, I've been loading like crazy. I got a lot of. Wait, I went the wrong way. I got a lot of footage, man, that was just sitting in the camera, wasn't being uploaded. So, loading like crazy. I'm getting them out. I'm finna empty the camera. I'm finna empty the clip right now. Matter of fact, I just posted a video about 10-15 minutes ago. Just went up, you know what I'm saying? Me and my dog was riding, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. But, yeah, welcome back to the channel. I ain't gotta tell y'all who I am. Y'all already know who I am. You know what I'm saying? I'm glad to have y'all here. If you're new, welcome. If you ain't new, what's happening? You know what I'm saying? Appreciate your support either way. Man, I had some on my mind. I don't even remember what it was. Something about this car, man. I don't remember what it was. But, yeah, so there go me losing my train of thought again. But yeah, I just had the car run. I've been on T.I. for the last couple of days. I don't know why. I just been listening to all T.I. stuff for the last couple of days. I have no idea why. I don't know why that popped in my head, but yeah. But aside from that, I'm back in here trying to get this grind on, man. Today is the 10th, so it's 4 days past the threshold for the month for YouTube. So, and I hadn't posted as of yesterday. I hadn't posted anything, so I was 3 days behind. I hadn't posted nothing. So, man, yesterday I posted one. I posted two today. I posted this morning, and I just posted this evening. The plans are I'm gonna post 2 times for the next 2 days. So, I'm gonna post. What's tomorrow? Tomorrow Wednesday. So, and that's my usual day to post. So I'm gonna post Wednesday. I'm gonna try to post 2 times tomorrow, 2 times Thursday, and then I'm gonna post once on Friday, because my days to post are Monday, Wednesday, and Friday anyway. So I'm gonna try to post, you know what I'm saying, 2 times for 3 days straight, and then go back to my regular scheduled program, and keep doing my shorts and all that good stuff right there, man, so I can try to, get on the other side of this threshold. Oh, I know what I meant to say to y'all. So y'all know it's after Thanksgiving, man, and my bow still ain't on MayRose, man. I haven't had time to really do the bowing of MayRose, man, putting MayRose's bow on. So haven't had time to do that, but I will do that in this video. You know what I'm saying? I gotta clean the bow up and present MayRose properly, man. So with that being said, let me go and grab my mic, call him, and we're gonna get this thing started like that.